Waking up used to be a simple thing, right? You just opened your eyes. But as we get a little older, some mornings feel like a bigger mountain to climb. The joints are a bit stiff. The energy isn't quite there yet. You see the sun coming up and think, all right, here we go again. But here's the beautiful part. That feeling of pushing through, of choosing to greet the day with purpose. That's not a sign of getting old. It's a sign of getting stronger. Every stretch, every slow movement is a victory. It's a promise you make to yourself to live this day to the fullest. But it's about finding that inner spark, even on the cloudy mornings. So here's to all of us who take that first deep breath and decide to make today count. If this resonates with you, give us a like and follow for more daily inspiration. Thanks for watching. Have you ever noticed it's getting a little harder to carry those heavy grocery bags, or that climbing a flight of stairs leaves you more breathless than it used to? You're not alone. What you might be experiencing is a natural part of aging called sarcopenia, which is just a fancy term for age-related muscle loss. Starting as early as our 30s, we can begin to lose muscle mass and strength. This process can speed up as we get older, making everyday activities feel like a real challenge. But here's the good news. It's not something you just have to accept. There are simple, effective things you can do right now to maintain your strength and vitality for years to come. It's all about staying active and giving your body the right fuel. Want to learn how? Hit that subscribe button and let's get stronger together. Have you ever wondered what the secret to a long, happy life is? Well, take a look at this. In many parts of Japan, it's a common sight to see elders gathering, sharing a meal, and laughing together. It's more than just food on a plate. It's a celebration of community, connection, and years of shared memories. Look at the joy on their faces. This simple act of eating together is a powerful tradition that strengthens bonds and nourishes the soul. It reminds us that life's greatest pleasures are often the simplest ones: good food, great company, and a sense of belonging. This is what living a full life looks like. What daily rituals bring you joy? Share them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this little slice of life, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more heartwarming moments from around the world. Thanks for watching. Have you ever felt sore after a really good workout? That's actually a good sign. It means your muscles are getting stronger. When you exercise, you're creating tiny, microscopic tears in your muscle fibers. It sounds a bit scary, but it's a completely normal part of the process. Think of it like renovating a house. You have to break down a few old walls to build bigger, better ones. While you rest, your body gets to work as a master repair crew. It sends nutrients and proteins to patch up those tiny tears. But here's the magic. Your body doesn't just repair them, it overcompensates, making the muscle fibers thicker and stronger than before. This is how you build strength and size over time. So embrace that post-workout soreness. It's the feeling of progress. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more fitness facts. Thanks for watching. Ever wonder what the secret to a long and happy life is? Maybe it's not some grand complicated formula. Maybe it's something much simpler, found right in our everyday moments. Look at this. It's not just about cooking a meal. It's about a lifetime of shared experiences, inside jokes whispered over a chopping board, and the quiet comfort of knowing someone is right there beside you. It's the rhythm of a partnership perfected over decades. This is the kind of happiness that's built day by day, meal by meal. It's a beautiful reminder that the greatest joys often come from the simplest acts of love and care. What are the simple moments you treasure? Share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this little slice of life, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more heartwarming content. See you in the next one. Hey everyone, isn't it a beautiful day? Look around. The sun is shining, the birds are singing, and there's a whole world out there waiting for us. They say age is just a number, and I truly believe that. Every new day is an opportunity, a blank page in our story waiting to be written. It's a chance to take a walk, breathe in the fresh air, connect with friends, and maybe even discover a new hobby. Life doesn't slow down unless we let it. So let's keep moving, keep laughing, and keep making every single moment count. Let's embrace this amazing chapter with energy and joy. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this little dose of inspiration, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. See you next time.